For generations, people have reached for it as a trusted folk remedy. Today, it is a viral morning wellness ritual consumed by millions worldwide. Scroll through the internet and you will find people claiming this golden liquid can do practically anything. They say it burns belly fat, clears up skin conditions, and completely cures digestive issues. Behind the modern marketing, apple cider vinegar remains exactly what the name implies: fermented apple juice. Every morning, huge numbers of people are taking straight, undiluted shots of this highly acidic liquid. We have to ask if they are triggering a genuine physiological benefit or just doing permanent damage to their own internal tissues. To separate the physical hazards from the actual health benefits, we are going to ignore the wellness hype and strictly audit the clinical evidence. Apple cider vinegar is made in 2 stages. First, yeast ferments apple sugars into alcohol. Second, bacteria convert this alcohol into acetic acid, the active ingredient driving physical reactions. In raw vinegar, a cloudy sediment called the mother forms, containing trace probiotics and antioxidants. Any legitimate medical benefit derived from this liquid comes directly from the specific biological effects of acetic acid entering the human system. When we audit the clinical trials, the strongest, most consistent data points directly to blood sugar regulation and diabetes support. Without vinegar, blood sugar spikes sharply. With it, the curve flattens noticeably. Acetic acid slows gastric emptying, keeping food in the stomach longer. In the bloodstream, it improves cellular insulin sensitivity, making it easier for muscles to absorb that glucose. Beyond blood sugar, acetic acid also plays a highly mechanical role in general digestion by physically stimulating the production of your stomach acid. This localized increase in stomach acidity helps break down tough proteins, allowing you to extract vital nutrients like calcium and iron. Apple cider vinegar's proven value lies entirely in this mechanical function. It physically modulates how our bodies process, break down, and absorb the food we eat. This brings us to the claims that dominate social media: weight loss. A 12-week clinical study found that participants who took the vinegar daily did see minor reductions in total body weight, but the clinical nuance here is important. Acetic acid does not speed up your metabolism or magically burn fat. It delays gastric emptying, keeping food in your stomach longer and increasing your feelings of fullness. Studies indicate this prolonged sense of fullness is often the direct result of acid-induced mild nausea. That raises serious questions about relying on it as a sustainable weight loss strategy. Then we run into the complete myths. Despite what you read online, there is zero human evidence proving apple cider vinegar lowers blood pressure. It also does not cure eczema or relieve acid reflux. Applying acid to active skin conditions or drinking it with severe reflux causes immediate tissue irritation. Treating this condiment as a universal cure-all ignores the actual clinical data. Worse, it actively risks physical harm by exposing unrelated health conditions to an acidic irritant. Warning tone: we cannot ignore the physical danger of the liquid itself. Despite its targeted benefits, apple cider vinegar remains a highly potent, corrosive acid. Drinking it straight or consuming too much over time causes measurable bodily harm. It can permanently erode tooth enamel, cause chemical burns to the esophagus, and trigger dangerous potassium drops. There are also specific pharmaceutical risks. Acetic acid is known to negatively interact with certain diabetes medications, supplemental insulin, and prescription diuretics. If you want to use it safely, you must respect the clinical dosage threshold. To avoid damaging your body, consumption must be strictly limited to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Preparation is exactly as strict. Those 2 tablespoons must always be heavily diluted in a full glass of water, and you need to consume the mixture through a straw to completely bypass your tooth enamel. Timing also matters. You should drink this diluted mixture on an empty stomach or immediately before a meal to maximize the glucose blunting and digestive benefits. Used with precise dosage and proper dilution, apple cider vinegar functions as a sharp biochemical tool, one that aligns with a scientifically valid health routine.